Hey guys, it's been a while, but we are back. Trying to be. So we apologize for not being up to date on our YouTube. We try to post every day on Facebook, but YouTube is difficult and it's hard to record while we are busy doing all of this. Over the years, we have learned so much more, and we can't wait to show you what we have done and what we are doing. So let's go.
You walk around. All right, we are all in bare metal and ready for first primer. We're going to be doing 3 coats of VP 2050, which is the PPG Vibrance primer. Right, hey Jesse, hold on. Right there. All right, we have all of the icing laid. So we did all the filler, metal work, all that. We have the very last round. So we try to get it on as smooth as possible. Makes it easier to block. So in all this stuff, like the edges, we go in with like a body filler spreader and sandpaper and get those all perfect. But yep, so this should be the last coat and then hopefully into primer. So we shall see. Which actually that's probably what it is going to be, because we're not going to be too picky. It will be nice. Those gaps do look good.
That looks really good.
Huh?
We can't be messing around.
Oh yeah. Probably doing something like this. Probably. Yeah, that's what we did that Cobras. Alright, we got the base coat layer all done. So this is just a gold base. And then we're gonna put a red candy over top of it. So this is 2 coats of the candy red clear coat and 1 coat of normal clear over top. On the body I do 2 coats of normal clear, but since it's just the jams, none of it's getting wet sanded, and 3 coats is more than enough. How's it going? Huh?
Right.
So this is the first round of buffing. So there's still 2 more stages of polish to go. Turned out pretty good. So the hood has just been wet sanded. It still needs buffed. You having fun?
I hate doing body work.
So this one is Jesse's truck. So this is the one that we're building to hopefully either flip or sell, or we're not really sure what we're doing with it, but
This is the only time I've seen you once.
huh? Yeah, it's doing your own stuff. Yeah, that's true. We got to show everybody eventually, all 10 people, what all the stuff you got for this thing. So one of these days we'll. So he's got a parts list for it.
You see the Terminator X on there?
Yep, he got it too.
Yeah, I did.
Non-screen one.
Shut up.
That was some bullshit. He ordered that back in May and they didn't send it, so he had to kind of get stuck with that.
They double back ordered me.
So what we're doing is we already did our first round of body work. So we already did all, Jesse already did all the metal work and fitment, panel fitment and all that stuff. So yesterday I helped him lay, well actually the past few days we've been laying filler, but yesterday we spent literally pretty much all day.
7 hours.
Yeah.
Laying filler.
Yeah. Icing.
Ice.
So that's what that is. And everything is still 100% magnetic everywhere. So none of this is thick at all. So there was really nothing that needed crazy fill work. But if you want this kind of panel to panel fitment and gap work, you just have to. So kind of part of the process. We do it on every single car, never have a problem. So now I need to get all of these parts. So all these parts right here are all new trim parts and just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. So like here we got his old door regulators. So I need to clean these up, spray them real quick, and then the glass guy's gonna put those in for us. But yeah, so we got drip channels, fender emblems, literally pretty much everything. We already test fit everything that we need to, which is basically the mirrors, the door, or wait, I didn't need to test fit these, but we did because they're aftermarket. And then we have these grab handles that go right here. So pretty much everything that I fit beforehand is in here. So yeah, Nikki got this side all the way buffed. She's over there buffing the hood. I absolutely love this color. It looks so good. So I didn't think I was gonna like it being all single, like all a solid color like this, but I think it looks pretty great. And then we got the Cuda about finished too. So we just got this rear bumper in the mail and put that on. What else do we have to do on this? Final polish and obviously clean it up. It's got fingerprints and compound holograms and stuff, but just needs one round of polish, and this one's done too. I got the door open because we were cleaning the inside of it out. Door's shut nice. That was a little excessive of me. I didn't need to do that. Slam it. So yeah, fun days. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go through these parts and put them on a table so that I can be ready for putting the square body together when Nikki's done polishing. So in this one, we haven't even touched it. So this is not paint. This came in like this. So that's what we're using it as a glove table. So I try not to do that, but it's getting completely redone. So don't give me too much crap. All our jams and turned out pretty nice. That's all black epoxy. The underside of the roof is done in black epoxy. We removed all those bars and did under those as well. That's all covered, so. And then, obviously got this jam done also. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this color. I think it's gonna look pretty cool. Especially with the white on the roof. I think this is a little more period correct, it seems. All right, so the final polish, well, second to final polish is all done. And Nikki started putting this thing together. So I know these are gonna be mixed reviews, but it's a shorter woman who owns the truck, so they needed them. That's what those are, they're grab handles. So we still got, so those steps did not work. He got those hoping that we could add steps to it, but. So yeah, we're just doing our final install now. We got all these parts, most of these parts that we need to put back on it. And that's what we're doing. So I think first thing we need to do that rear cab trim. So I don't know why. I've been thinking about that a lot. I don't know why. So let's get that done so I can stop thinking about it.
I think those handles are meant for you though.
So right now, Nikki is finishing up the final polish on this thing. So I got the rear tail panel painted, we got the bumper put on, got the rear valance on. Everything that we're installing right now is done. The first polish or buff is also done. Looks pretty good.
Thank you.
So yeah, we should be all finished up with this one today and able to get some pictures and videos outside. So that'll be cool.
Yep.
Time to push her out. See it outside. First time after buff. And here we are.
Do I look obsessed when I watch you do that dance for me? Love it, love it, love it.
And ready to
How you show that soft smile every time you feel shy.
obviously still
I
have
love
some
it,
stuff
love
to
it,
put
love it,
together.
love it, love it. Do I look obsessed when I watch you do that dance for me? Love it, love it, love it. You know how to pace it, slow down and make it chase it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it.
Going back on the list.
How she look, Paul?
Good.
Third try to start. Pretty good? Yeah. Sweet.
Time to paint the roof. Getting help from Nikki. So right now, we have this tape basically folded down on this edge so that it's got a nice smooth transition right here. And we're going back through after you cut the plastic. You just lay
Is
the
that
tape.
okay?
Yeah, perfect. Yup. So yeah, we'll get to you when I get this all cut. How they're going. Got the hood and fenders already pulled off. Now they're doing the doors. So we're pulling it all apart now so we can go ahead and paint the firewall, paint the underside. We're gonna lift it up on, take it back off the frame, do the underside of the cab, paint the insides of the doors.
Hold on.
You need some help?
It's like amazing out here. It's amazing.
Use your head. Oh.
Alright, we're good. We're professional.
Good thing that's your shit. So just one more door and then you guys can start prepping. Epoxy primer sealer is done. Now it's time for base coat. Alright, so we have our roof all finished. And turned out pretty nice. So I think this color is going to look killer with the blue. So the other one, we did a black roof. This one's gonna be pearl white on this blue. So I think that's gonna look pretty cool.